Hello again, people. I'm Sami, and again I'm in the beautiful outdoors. But the thing is that the weather has changed, and the cool thing about this weather is that you can have snowballs. So the spring is really in here. It's plus 2 degrees right now, the snow is slowly melting, and the spring and the summer is coming, and Vivaldi, the Four Seasons, so the song comes now. You know this. Any case, so at the moment I'm going to meet my friend, good friend, or actually he's my relative. So I've been talking about photography in general, how to become a photographer and what the photography is for me. But this time, so my friend Yoel, he is a beginner. He wants to get into the photography game. So we decided, hey, let's go outside, take some pictures. I can teach him something. I'm sure that he can teach me something. I'm really excited, and this day is going to be really productive. Yeah, check him out, check his Instagram, he's an awesome guy. So let's go and meet him. Alright, as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to introduce you a guy, awesome guy, and he's now in here. Yoel.
Howdy, hi.
How are we?
We are good. Excellent.
We're very good. We're
Yeah.
very good. And he can also play ice hockey. He's pretty good. He's played in Australia, so imagine that. Kind of like semi-pro, right?
Yeah, you could say.
Yeah, so not an average guy. And he wants to get to know the photography, and I'm here to learn and to teach
Yes.
him some photography, which is good because I also like to learn. So tell to the audience why you like to learn photography. What makes you to think that photography is something that you like to do?
Well, I think there is a couple of reasons. First of all, I like to go outside. I like nature, blah blah blah.
Like
So
me.
I think if I start photographing, it will activate me to go more outside and spend time outdoors.
That's a good point.
And I would say that I'm a visual guy. I like beautiful things.
Like me.
It doesn't matter if it's nature or buildings or people or whatever. So why wouldn't I learn how to capture that visual thing that gives me something, so I can see it later on maybe show it to someone.
Yeah, that's actually exactly what I think. Why I like photography is that I can show the world to other people how I see it, because it's we all see the world in different way. So show it how you see it.
Exactly. Yeah.
Good point. Good point. So we are now heading to this one location where I wanted to take pictures for quite a while now, and let's see. Hopefully it's gonna be good.
Yes.
Oh boy, we have found the spot, and it is exactly how I imagined it. Cool, eh?
Oh yeah. Little bit too scary for me, but but
Yes, this is
we
cool.
will survive.
This is awesome. Awesome spot. Awesome lighting. Man of many talents, he can whistle. And one cool talent that he can do is also he can juggle. Check it out. cool spot and we find a cool car also. Amazing. Rightio. That was the cool spot. Great success. So what do you think?
Yeah. I learned many things about how to adjust
Aperture and then the exposure time.
Yeah, and how those affect on the picture you take. Yeah.
So apparently I was able to teach something valuable this time.
Yeah, I agree. With low teaching price.
Yeah.
The quality is pretty good.
Exactly. You can also get me to teach you something. Go www.samilaitunen.com and contact me.
That was too fast. They want.
Okay, let's take it again. So you can also benefit from my teaching by going to www.samilaitunen.com and to the contact form. So that's how you can book me to your learning sessions.
Do it.
Good. He said do it, so you should do it. Alright, this day has been nice, although it's quite grey outside, but he learned something, I learned something. So now when you learn something about the photography today, is this going to boost your enthusiasm towards learn more about photography?
Yeah, for sure. And I think now first thing that I want to do, I want to take these skills that I learned today, take them to the different kind of
like environment.
Yeah. And adapt them. So that's my next challenge, I think.
Yeah. And that's good. I mean, it's always when you're in a different place. Of course, there is the skills and the settings that you've learned, but then you're in the different place. You have to think, okay, now I have to use this and now I have to use this. So it's always challenges you to use them when you're in the different place. Good. I think that this is the
last day of my life. Where you want me to hit with this ball?
All right.
Challenge.
Challenge.
Where do you want me to throw this ball? One of those boxes?
No, well, if I go a bit further, you throw it to me.
All right.
And see if I can catch it. Okay, I'm ready. Full speed ahead. Come on. Success. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I hope that you liked this video. Subscribe, hit the like button, share this video, and any last words from Yoel?
I don't know, you can put something that Tupac said back in the days. You can write it on the video. So
okay, I put something what Tupac said back in the days, so...
Yeah, he has good quotes.
Great. Thank you, and see you in the next episode.
Bye bye.